consultants. Of course, we're looking for the new face of Sunday for 2025 onwards. Ang isang topic namin is institution na tayo 18 years. We would like someone who exemplifies the values of Sunday. So nilatag namin yung values of Sunday. Pursuit of excellence, sincerity in helping other people, positive, yun yung core values ng Sunday. Isa sa nag-pop up na name is Vic Soto. Alright? Noong una hindi pa nag-sink in eh. Pero after a few days, hindi na kayo makatulog. Vic Soto, continuous research na until dumating yung time na we believe that everything happens for a reason. It's just something exploratory, hindi na kayo makatulog. Noong explore na namin, eto na, sunod-sunod na. Until dumating yung time, kausap na namin si Mr. Maru, and the rest is history. And everyone is so excited whenever we mention the name of Vic Soto sa board of directors, Execom, parang no questions asked. Institution, 18 years na tayo, it's Vic Soto. No questions.
Wow, God bless.
Nakakatuwa naman kung gano'n.
Ito yan po. Hanggang ngayon nga po yan pa sila.
Thank you. Salamat.
Pero ikaw, bossing, yung inilapit sa inyo ito ng inyong team, what was your initial reaction na, wow, bilang isang institusyon din sa Philippine showbiz, i-represent nyo yung Sante Barley?
I've heard of Sunday Barley before, 18 years na, di ba? And nung there was an offer for me to endorse the product, I did my own research. Ano ba nagawa ng barley? Di ba? Anong mapapala ko pagka uminom ka ng barley? So I did my research. Maganda pala. Mahusay pala. It's a superfood. And so I sat down with them, with my brother Maru, and I found out all about Santer International. And hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. I said yes right away. I'm happy and honored to endorse this kind of product na nagpo-promote ng healthy living. Kasi ako, I'm basta pagdating ng usapin ng mga tungkol sa kalusugan, magandang pangangatawan, ako'y nangunguna dyan. So, when I found out that Sante Barley, kung saan galing yung barley nila, nalaman ko na galing sa New Zealand, yun yung pinakamataas na kalidad ng barley. So, I said yes.
That's awesome. Actually, kami nga sa press nila ginamit, ba't mukhang bata si Bossy, anong ginagawa niya? Nasasagot na pala ngayon. Ito pa, kinantay mo pala itong press ko na ito para malaman namin.
Ito na yung mga isa sa mga...
Oo.
Hindi na sikreto ngayon.
Kaya nga yun na nga yung ritual. But of course, speaking of friends from the press, Tito Chuk, kaya handing it over to you para sa mga kapatid natin sa press na magtatanong.
Maraming salamat. Congratulate muna natin si Bossing. Napakaganda ng The Kingdom.
Yes! Box office!
Natatapos na ng MMFF, bubuksan natin ang 2025 ng Major Pasabog. Starting off with the editor of Abante, my dear friend, June Lalin. Siya ang
Tito
una
June.
magtatanong. Tito June. Gusto ko yung Tito June.
Yeah, good afternoon. Hi, Bossing.
Hi, June.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Excited ako kanina, nakasabay kita sa CR. Sabi ko, susundan ko na interview ko sa loob ng CR si Bossing. Pero kidding aside, Bossing, syempre kami, talagang si Bossing talagang super PR, no? Kahit ano pa sabihin ko, kahit may issue, kahit ano pa, pag nakita niya ang press, talagang siyang unang bumabate. Kaya we love you, Bossing. So, bawal daw ang intriga. So, ang tatanong ko is...
Go!
Siyempre, ako kasi I'm taking Sante Barley also di ba? It's really, you're always on the go. Kaya po ba, siyempre...
Tagal ng tanong.
Kailangan po kasi pasok ang Sante.
Ang haba ng intro.
Hindi, Bossing, hindi intriga to. Bossing, nakakatuwa, no? Ramdam mo yung health benefit talaga ng product.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Ano nga ulit yun, John?
Yan,
Ano daw po yung benefits ng Sante Barley na nararamdaman nyo?
Yeah.
Yung first time na dinate nyo po yun?
Kakaiba, oo. Yung naiba sa pakiramdam mo when you started taking Santi Barley. And bago pa po kayo nag-accept, tinake nyo ba muna? Sinubukan nyo, bossing?
Nag-uusap ko lang kami. Binigyan na ako ng 5-year supply of Santi Barley. na talagang yung buong bahay namin ay talagang we take it on a regular basis. At mararamdaman mo mararamdaman mo yung kakaibahan ng pangangatawan mo once you start taking it. Like sabi ko nga kanina, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, bago ka mag-breakfast, Santi Barley muna. Yun, ang dami benefits eh. May cleansing na, tapos yung immune system mo, malaking bagay. At general health mo, eh, talagang maaalagaan ng Santi Barley.
Yeah. So this is the reason ko kaya tinanggap nyo. Kasi mapili daw kayo eh. Marami kami nababalitaan na nire-reject nyo, hindi nyo tinatanggap na endorsement.
Alam mo, pag ang produkto hindi ko ginagamit, hindi ko kayang i-endorse. Kung hindi ako naniniwala sa produkto, I have to believe in it first. Like, thank you for that applause. Like nung ay kwento ko nga kanina, nag-research muna ako. I did my own research. Nag-google ako, ano bang benefits ng barley, lalo na yung Santi Barley. Nakita ko magaganda mga benefits. So, I believe in it. I've been using it. I've been taking it. So, kumbaga, maluwag sa loob mo na i-endorse. Yung galing sa puso mo, yung endorsement. Hindi yung nag-endorse ka lang kasi binayaran ka. On the side na lang yung bayad. Pero more than that, it's the paniwala mo sa produkto at makakatulong ka sa kapwa mo. Marami matutulungan itong Santi Barley.
Yeah, very well said, bossing. No? Ang ganda. Sir Joey, narinig mo yung sinabi ni Sir Bossing. Kung kami, mukhang kinilig yung mga tao mo. No? Talagang very much na-appreciate nila. Ano masasabi niyo po? Oo.
Sa amin kasi, like when I met si Bossing, kasi whenever we have a new brand ambassador in Santi, ako, I keep it a point. Ako to, before we invite him to be part of the company, gusto ko muna ibenta sa kanya yung kumpanya. Because I don't want the brand ambassador na mag-join tama si Bossing just because of the talent fee. So binibenta ko muna sa kanya, ito yung Santi, this is how we started, this is our product, this is where we are going. If nakikita mo na makakasama ka namin for a long time, then you can be part of Santi as our brand ambassador. So ganoon ako lagi. And nakita ko nung first meeting namin ni Bossing, I think yung advocacy nag-align eh. Sabi ko hindi mahihirapan kasi it's more than promoting the product. It's really highlighting the beauty of the entire company. Kasi ang Santi naman, honestly, hindi naman namin binibenta lang yung produkto. No questions asked, the product is really good. But we're selling the entirety of the business, including Santi as a company, because you would like the world to buy this company. Pag binili kasi ng buong mundo yung kumpanya, the product will always follow. And we always believe in the product. Kaya natutuwa kami kasi nung binili ni Bossing yung kumpanya, nakita niya na talaga pwede niya rin makasama for the next coming years. Natuwa naman kami. So, for us, it's really a match. Diba? It's really a match. It's really a worthwhile partnership to consider.